that Bibam cat?
Two milks.
Ano ginawa mo dyan sa 2 milk?
Drinking.
Drinking.
Bring, 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 bring.
That's good.
Bring.
Ah, where is your mother?
My mother is working.
Your father?
He's working.
Do you miss them?
Yes. Papa, I'm playing with baby Gaby. He's so happy.
Okay. What about Tito Boy, ay Kuya Boy?
Yeah, he's playing with me. We building a house.
Where is the house?
Kaya boy made it cars ribbon and then do the box big one and I make it pretty.
Wow. Okay. Bye-bye ka na, bye-bye na, bye-bye.
Bye bye.
The milk. I'll give it to Tito Shishi.